Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Now remember here at Chef Dawg, we review Costco food and then we tell you about it at the end, or well, we taste it and then tell you about it. Tonight, grilled chicken strips from Costco. Now they come pre-cooked, so you can eat them cooked or you can eat them cold is what it says. 22 grams of protein, 3 ounces is what it says per serving. So I don't know how many people this is gonna feed, but that's what you get in the pack. Now it comes in 2 of them. I have the other one in the freezer. And it's for a little over 10 bucks. It's a real simple recipe, this one. Put some oil here in the pan, and then you just put it in here. You can eat it just right out of the bag, or you can cook it up, and I always cook it up. But you can see, look how much meat. That's quite a bit. That'll be enough to feed all of us. I have some friends over tonight that you'll get to meet later, the Gleaves. They're gonna eat this with us and tell you what they think. I've got it on a medium heat, a little oil, and then in the meantime, while you're heating that up, we're gonna start cooking some these tortillas on the griddle. So again, we put a little bit of oil on there. I got it set at 350. Those will cook fairly quick. A little pepper. A little bit of onion salt. Then I'll just stir until I feel like I'm good with it. Now the pieces are pretty big, you can see. I'm gonna just chop some of them up. You can do the same if you like, but. All right, hey, I've been cooking these for about 4 to 5 minutes. Look great to me. I think we're ready to start eating them. That is it, folks. That quick. We are done. What, 5 minutes? Now, again, this is my buddy Carl, and he told me Chipotle. Chipotle? Mm-hmm. Chipotle mayonnaise. I got this at Costco as well. You put this on. If you like lettuce, great. If you like salsa, great. We're also going to use this Wild Coyote. Got it at Costco. It's actually here in Utah, so I don't know if it's everywhere, but I think it's a Utah company. But really, really good. Heather and Aaron are going to join us. So Heather and Aaron, come on over. Grab yourself a tortilla, cheese and some lettuce, and then a little bit of lime.
That's good.
They're really good.
Yeah.
Now what do you put on here?
Chicken's tender. I dress it up with this right here. A little bit of salsa.
I did the same.
Lettuce and cheese.
So I'm the only one that did this then.
Yeah, and I feel like you could go that way. You can choose this one or that one. Like this one or that one. Like you choose which way you go on that.
So you know, I went with both. And when I've had this before, I've just done this, but I did add both.
How is it?
It's delicious. Like, super delicious. Honey, come and try it now. Now Heather here, she actually likes to cook.
I love it.
And she has taste buds. So she likes food with taste. And you're saying?
Yes, really good.
Really good. Like 1 to 10, what would you give this?
An 8.
Oh, now that, because like she's for real, folks. An 8?
Yeah.
And the amount of time it took to cook. How much do you appreciate that, being a mom?
That's great.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so she's giving it an 8. Aaron, what are you going to throw out of this?
This is better than I thought it was going to be.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Better than he thought, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just thought, well, going into it, I wasn't sure, but yeah, it's solid.
Yeah, it is good, huh?
Yeah, the ingredients taste good.
And are you going to give a lot of credit to this, or you just, like the whole thing, huh? Just comes together?
I look at the chicken pretty hard. I'm a harsh chicken critic.
Yeah? So
I'm
you'd say high quality chicken?
I would say the high quality chicken, yeah. Mm-hmm.
And you know what? You expect that from Costco, wouldn't you? Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, hon, are you gonna come join us?
Mine's kind of dry.
Yours is what?
Dry.
Oh, critic already. She's saying it's kind of dry. Well, it is just chicken. Well, what's that look?
No, I don't know.
Well, you can get it wet if you want.
I have salsa in already.
Oh, salsa? You put salsa? Mm-hmm. So what's dry then, according to you?
Know.
What's the facials?
That is so strong.
Thank you.
Oh, this? So what you're saying?
Kind of spicy.
Oh, it is spicy.
Oh.
Yeah, too spicy? Aaron's making one with the chipotle, so I want to have his opinion. Or the cilantro.
Yep.
What when he's gonna go?
Yeah, it's still awesome, but different.
Yeah.
It brings in that chipotle instead of the cilantro lime.
Yeah.
Still good.
Yeah.
Yep.
It gives it that. It does. It has a kick to it. Which one do you like more, or you just love both, or?
They're both really good, actually.
Yeah. And that's saying a lot. Aaron is a food connoisseur, so he's a fan. I'm a fan. Easy, quick meal to make, but I'm gonna give this one like a 9.2. And I give it that too. Look at how long it took to cook. Like my prep time was pretty much 0. 5 minutes later, I have myself a chicken taco, burrito, whatever you want to call it. And it's delicious. So hey, highly recommend. Hope you enjoyed watching Chef Dawg. Thanks for the Gleaves and and coming and visiting with us tonight. Thank you, hun, for just always love having your feedback, and I know the world does too. But hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one. Bye-bye.